All right, you guys, the first boat ramp disaster that is probably the most common is when tires lose traction. So the number one reason why this typically happens at boat ramps is not using four-wheel drive. So if you have it, you really need to use it. And if you don't have it, it just ups the chance of bad things happening at the boat ramp. Number two is slime at the water line. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So at most boat ramps, especially in the warmer months, as the water gets warmer, slime builds up, or algae on the ramp itself underwater. So it's nice and dry and fine right here, but if I were to walk into that water, no doubt it would be a lot more slippery. As the summer goes on, it's going to get more slippery. When I say slippery, it is literally like oil on ice. It's that slippery. And of course, because the ramp is at an angle, all you have to do is hit it and you're going down. It's not like you can save yourself. Generally, you're going to go down because of the angle of the ramp. So that's a key thing to remember. So if you can, wheels, and once you have slippage, everything bad starts to happen. Now, this is why. If my back two tires were in the algae right now, and I was in two-wheel drive, and I tried to pull out my boat, and it was heavy, and my back tires started to spin, what would happen is that because of the angle of this ramp, these front wheels would just roll back with the truck. I have no control over the movement of those front wheels. They would just freewheel all the way back, and this would spin. Even though I was trying, it would spin slowly into the water. You've seen it on the videos that I just showed. That's exactly how it happens. And again, it's more likely to happen when you're retrieving the boat. Another thing you really should consider is always, whether it's two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, you should be in low gear. When you come out of a ramp, you want to make sure that you're in low speed. That way, you lessen the chance of the back tires spinning too quickly and losing traction. You want it to be slow, almost like a crawl coming out of the ramp. That's going to give you the best chance of not spinning those wheels and not having a boat ramp disaster.